My video guide will provide you with help to get rid of the online scam that is coming from the website Shortblue.site. Shortblue.site. It's a scary alert that may suddenly come up in your browser, and it tries to mislead you with a lot of faulty messages. The website indicates that your PC might be vulnerable to viruses and other threats. It also claims to be related to some decent security software, but in reality there is no connection between Shortblue.site and this decent software. The website Shortblue.site tries to make you click on this Stay Protected button, but when you click on it, you will be brought to some other deceptive website that may try to force you into downloading and installing certain potentially unwanted software that will be totally different from the one that is supposedly mentioned here. So, Shortblue.site is a malicious website. Typically, these pop-ups come up as a result of the browser being infected by some adware that may display random ads in the form of push notifications. So, in case you see these pop-ups by Shortblue.site, you should fix your browser and remove these ads. Access the menu of your browser, go to Settings. Now you need to click on Security and Privacy, select Site Settings, scroll down to the Permissions area and choose Notifications. Carefully research the websites allowed to send notifications. If you find any of the malicious sites that are causing these ads on your screen, click on this button and remove the malicious site from the list. Definitely, you may get rid of other junk websites of this similar nature. So after you remove all these malicious websites causing such ads on your screen, the problem should be fixed very well. Of course, you can additionally check the control panel of your computer and remove any applications you don't remember installing based on your own decision. So if you find any adware type threats here, get rid of them. To make sure that the system is free of any other threats, I recommend scanning your computer with a Combo Cleaner antivirus, and you may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Download Combo Cleaner using this green download button. Install the application and start carefully researching your computer with its help to detect and delete other possibly hidden threats from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will begin researching your system and will give you the summary of threats at the end of scan. First of all, the program will help you to analyze some browser-related issues, but it also can help you to detect more serious threats like malware, ransomware that currently circulate all over the world. Combo Cleaner Premium version has got the excellent anti-ransomware tool that allows you to add one or several folders on your computer that will be properly protected against all kinds of ransomware attacks. So, as I said, at the end of scan, the program will give you the summary of all threats. You'll be able to know their exact location on the system. So you may remove these threats manually or consider upgrading to the premium license of the program in order to delete all these threats automatically and have your system protected against all further malware attacks.